Hello techies, I'm Divya here. On behalf of CyberBrainer, don't you think the world of tech is evolving faster than ever? Now is the perfect time to dive in and build the skills that will take you places. With CyberBrainer, we are putting you in the driver's seat of your own future. We at CyberBrainer don't just teach your interest. We believe that knowledge is power, but it's applied knowledge that truly sets you apart. Whether you're diving into data science, mastering artificial intelligence, or exploring the world of cybersecurity, our courses are designed to give you the skills that matter. So let's jump into the session and make the future yours today. Thank you.
What we do is how to create the material because like once you've done the configuration, now how you will test the creation of material. There is a transaction code called as MM11. Here you have mandatory. Once you click on enter, system will be deleted as a mandatory. What are the mandatory fields for the material to create? These are the two things. One is industry sector, another one is a material type here. What I'll do, I will select one of the industry sector. For example, I'll say this is industry sector and material type is. I will select as a RH. Click on enter. Now system will automatically assign number. Number ranges is not there for this material. Now, for example, I want to create one material. To create the material, what are the things you required? We need generally. These are the control functions of material master. Generally, what are the views we are doing? Basic 1, basic 2. And purchasing view and plant general data learn 92 and accounting. These are the views we are considering for the material creation. Click on enter. Which plant we want to create? For example, my plant is Farwan. And what is my storage location? Click on enter. In the S4HANA system, before you want to create a material ledger must be mandatory. How we can create this material is activation can be done by finance team, but also we can do it CKMM startup. Once it's completed, then only it will create material. Yes, otherwise system will throw an error to you. Just remove the test and click on execute. Valuation array is a forward. Material ledger active 1, 2, 3. Let's see. Now it is asking. Now we need to give the description. For example, steel 13-inch. How we measure steel is. What is a material group? Generally, we will discuss what is configuration. What is a material group here? And if you want to maintain like a grass weight, net weight volume, all those things you can maintain. And you come to purchasing you in the purchasing group. Just come over here. You select one of the purchasing group. Purchasing group is nothing but the person who is responsible for procurement of this material. That guy. Information will be maintained and we are going to maintain the purchase value key. Generally, these purchase value keys tell like over delivery, under delivery tolerance. Reminders, all those things which will be there. And the plant and storage data, like we can see what is a storage location. Details like for about this particular material, what is the storage, what is the temperature conditions, storage conditions, all those things. Here it is not activated. Let's see those standard price here. Now, here we need to give what is the standard price of this material per 1 unit. It is a 10 rupees. 1 enter and ship. No, I think here some pop-up need to come. It is not coming. Now material is created, like we'll see these people, a lot of settings are changing. Maybe due to that we are not able to see the messages. I just want to. Then click on the execute. Now you can see the material is created. This is like how we will create a material. Then if you go to Minder 2, now we created a material. If you want to change that material, click on enter. Whatever use you want to change, you just select this material. Now, for example, I've maintained some description wrong. I want to put a steady Q1, something I want to maintain. Just select this one, click on set. See, now it is coming. Like this. We need to check and save. This is like how we will create a generally materials. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.